How to get rid of acne scars fast at home overnight. Acne can be troubling, but what's worse is that getting rid of them often leaves scars that are difficult to treat without fancy in-clinic treatments. Thankfully, there are little-known but proven methods, including home remedies, to rid yourself of acne scars fast. Here are 3 different proven methods to get rid of acne scars fast at home overnight. Watch all methods to see which one works the best for your acne scars. Each of the 3 steps following is based on scientific evidence. What's even better is that you can do them using homemade products made from inexpensive and easy-to-find ingredients. Here are the steps and procedures. Method 1. Exfoliate using a homemade sugar facial scrub. A study by the Scripps Clinic and Research Foundation in California showed that microdermabrasion improves the appearance of skin, even in cases of acne scars. Researchers from Brazil's Federal University of Triângulo Mineiro supported that through a separate study. Microdermabrasion is a method of exfoliating the skin. While this has become a popular in-clinic treatment, there are ways to get the benefits of microdermabrasion through at-home treatments, the most effective of which is through regular exfoliation using a homemade sugar facial scrub. How to make a homemade sugar facial scrub for acne scars. Combine 1/4 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 cup coconut oil. Apply to face and scrub with light force for no longer than 2 minutes. Method 2. Use a homemade apple cider vinegar toner. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is known to fight a variety of viruses and bacteria. For acne specifically, separate studies by researchers at the University of California and the Seoul National University of Science and Technology have concluded that organic acids in ACV are beneficial. However, its lactic acid component is what makes it specifically helpful in getting rid of acne scarring. According to a study published by the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, lactic acid helps to gently peel the surface of the skin for renewal and is therefore effective in removing acne scars. Another article published in the Polish journal Postępy Hygieny Medycyny Dozwalczalnej, Advances in Hygiene and Experimental Medicine, supports this. How to make a homemade apple cider vinegar toner for acne scars. Mix 1 part ACV with 4 parts water. Apply this homemade toner with a cotton ball. Let sit on your skin for about 15 seconds. Rinse off with water. Pat dry with a clean towel. Note that your ACV toner should be properly diluted. Any stronger than this recommended ratio could cause discomfort or even burning, especially after a facial scrub. Never go over the recommended proportions and application time. Method 3. Moisturize with homemade lavender facial oil. According to a study led by researchers from Tunisia's Sfax University, lavender essential oil is an effective natural treatment for wounds and damaged tissues. Another study, this time by researchers from Japan's Morinomiya University of Medical Sciences, demonstrated lavender oil's ability to increase collagen in the skin and help regenerate skin tissue. Their study showed that applying lavender oil on the skin helped with either close or shrink wounds. In this case, applying lavender oil would be a crucial step to make sure that your skin is nourished well enough to regenerate overnight after scrubbing and application of lactic acid. Following is how to mix moisturizing homemade lavender facial oil based on your skin type. Choose from the 3 recipes following to make lavender facial oil that's not only moisturizing, but healing as well for your skin type. For normal skin, 20 ml grapeseed oil, 10 ml rosehip oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil. For dry skin, 20 ml jojoba oil, 10 ml emu oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil. For oily skin, 20 ml argan oil, 10 ml tamanu oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil. These homemade lavender facial oil recipes will last for months because only a few drops are needed for every application. Apply at the end of your facial care routine to nourish your skin overnight. These can also be used as a daytime moisturizer to further protect your skin and speed up skin rejuvenation. This facial care routine will help you get rid of acne scars fast at home overnight. Follow these steps carefully and you will see results as soon as possible. To completely clear your acne scars, use the homemade sugar facial scrub thrice a week, but the toner and facial oil every day for both your morning and evening routine. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.